Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I've decided to work a little bit in what's called Joakim's Corner in our garden here at Crystal Cottage. So the area I'm talking about is this area behind me. You can see all these brown bushes here. Now here we want to be able to have some wintergreen interest in all of this area eventually. So little by little I am adding to the area. Now in an earlier video in our outdoor terrace garden, I showed you two bushes I bought, which were these Ilex Meserveae blueprints. They are holly bushes that will give us lovely wintergreen interest. They're a bit thin at the moment, but they won't be later on. They'll be absolutely beautiful. So I am going to be removing some of that brown bush behind me there and planting these plants in there. Now, if you're wondering what the little bush here is with the covering on it, that is my beautiful Araucaria araucana, otherwise known as the monkey puzzle tree. I planted it here a year ago. So the first winter I covered it up to protect it from frost, and I'm doing the same this year and I will do the same next year. But the rest of the year it's out and it's doing really, really well. It looks wonderful, but you'll see that in a later video. So for now, I just want to get on planting my lovely new bushes, but you're going to see me doing a lot of maintenance on this area. This is going to be a silent video because the camera, I don't have my tripod with me today. So the camera is going to be behind the window in our crystal library, and I will film the whole process and then I'll speak to you again at the end of the video. So let's get on with reorganizing this area, and it's decided to rain on me now. But anyway, I'm gonna do this anyway. Let's get on with it. So here you can see the area where I've just planted the Ilex Meserveae blueprints. Looks great there. Behind the Rhododendron and the evergreen Thuja bush, as well as my Araucaria araucana, which is wrapped in for the winter now, and this beautiful Viburnum here, which is also wintergreen. So now behind we'll have these beautiful blueprints holly bushes. They will flush out next year and be beautiful. So they are well compact into this lovely rich soil. I haven't had to add anything. The soil out here is rich enough, and there's lots of leaves that are falling down, so they'll be quite fine. But I will be putting an extra layer of dried leaves around to stop the frost. And you can see the area here that I've cleared out and pushed back more of this bushing here that's boring and brown all winter. But now we'll have these beautiful holly bushes to look at later on.